Okay, so we're going down to mt.Carmel waterfall, and this is the way.
I was trying to make a video. Oh, you are making a video.
Yes, I'm making a video, Cleo.
You telling it to people? Hello.
So beautiful down here. Okay. Say hi, Cleo.
Hello.
This is Cleopatra. And that's Jim Mary.
Hello. You're making a video. I know, I could hear. I know. Now where are you going to pass?
Okay, we have options for whichever route you want to take. I'm not gonna go over there because it's a little hill, and then here is a little step down.
And we're coming up to the bridge.
This is perfect for early morning jogging, or if you want to take a little stroll in the morning. This is like the perfect little exercise walk to make. I'm gonna start getting up early, coming down here to take a run. Here we have two people coming from the waterfall. And so I think that's another little route to go down to the lower falls.
We're
Afternoon.
here. So now we just have a little step out.
Yeah, so this is a little hill to go up.
Wait, Jamai.
Mosquitoes are biting you?
No, something was in our shoe. That was in our shoe.
Piece of stick.
No! Jamai!
This is the only hill that you really have to climb when you come walk into the waterfall. It's not steep, and it's very comfortable to walk up.
Because we went fall
Imagine if I fall down while making the video. That would be funny. Look at the dirt. It looks red. It's like beautiful. It looks so red and cute.
Wait up! Wait up!
I'm tired. We're almost there. Almost.
How often are you guys getting killed again? Come on, Domino.
The walk is always worth it because the waterfall is beautiful.
Where are we going? We're going to the big waterfall. Where are we going? The big waterfall, not the small one.
Woo!
And here's a little place down there. Which one are you doing? In the big one or in the small? Ah! It looks fun.
And have a nice little area there. You could go, if you could swim, you could go swim there. The water is clear. And then there's a little shed right here. It's usually where the security comes to take the rest. Good evening. Almost there.
There is a house.
Another pebble went in her shoes. She's wearing Crocs. This cute pink Crocs we got from Marshall.
But it kind of gets messed up, but it's still cute. There was supposed to be beads, another bead, but
Yeah, there was like 2 chains and it popped on each Croc. And look at all of this. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this is bamboo. We use bamboo to build houses. We make benches. To put up tents. Like, has so many purpose. So cute. And the waterfall is right around the corner. It's right over there. We're taking the beautiful scenery. This is where we just came walking from. The kids are getting ready to go into the water. They usually don't go up by the waterfall. They would stay right here in this cute little pond area. Right over there.
Oh, there's one in the front.
Okay. Let's make a walk up there so I can show you guys this beautiful, beautiful waterfall in mt.Carmel, St. Andrews. Woo. Just gorgeous. Got fish in water. Okay, we're gonna go over right here. Woo! Beautiful, right? Look at this. No,
You don't go in that?
I'm going up the hill so I can show a different view. Make sure you guys stay right here, okay?
Okay.
Right here. Cleo, you could go on that flat rock. Right there. Yeah, where Jamari is standing. Take your time. You could sit on that rock, Cleo. Don't go on that one right there, okay? Because you might fall and there. You might slip and fall. Yeah. Just gonna go put this over here on the table with the kids stuff, and go right back. I'll let them there, but they're not gonna go in the big area. They usually just stay in the little small section right there. And I'm gonna come up the hill. I like coming up this way. It's just so. Hey kids! Woohoo!